Morning everyone. This video is going to be about a car meet that I have organised. Just going to sort of basically film it, the location, the cars, all that kind of thing, and the people. I'm currently in my Mondeo because everyone's in bed, so I thought I'd best not be making too much noise talking randomly to a camera. And yeah, hopefully I'll get quite a few people turn up because it's early in the morning at the moment, but it should be good. It's got a wide variety of cars coming, I think. So to put a bit of background into it, again, back in, I'd say about 2017 or so, 18, when I used to run the Fanatics Cortina page with Gav, I used to do like a season end meet, get together at a pub in Bury, and that was around about September time. And used to get good amount of people turn up. Used to be 20 to 30 cars would turn up, which was pretty good because people come from all over. It wasn't like all local people. And sort of, I did that for so many years and then I stopped doing it. And I was speaking to a guy I know, and he put a picture up of one of the old meets from years ago, where he first saw my car and met me and all that sort of thing. And so I thought to myself, why not start doing them again? So the venue that I've chosen is one that's used to running car meets, and it's the Rose pub in Shotley. And Shotley is a little village that's a few miles from Ipswich, and they've got a big piece of land behind the pub. And so I'm hoping we're going to get a good turnout. It's really overcast here at the moment, so I'm hoping that doesn't put too many people off, but we should wait and see. Alright, got my car in place. There's Marcus's Renault, a very nice car. Bit overcast today, but it's dry, it's the main thing. Oh, we've got visitors, I believe. Mr. Ward has turned up. Morning, sir.
Morning.
How you doing?
All right, you?
Yeah, good, buddy. Nice car, that. First visitors have arrived. We've got Trevor and Michael in their MR2 Mark 1s. They're pretty cool. Look at them. Pretty nice, that.
Yeah, but it's now in. But obviously, I don't know because in Portugal,
I can remember when these were brand new. I used to get brochures when I was young. Dad used to get brochures from the dealerships. Yeah. I hear another car arriving. We're looking around Marcus's Renault at the moment. Another very cool rare old thing. So few of these left. We drove this back from Portugal. A good 1,000 miles or so. It drove back absolutely immaculate.
When the Great Cortina, when I always remembered it in the sun, it was this is blue, and this is probably the colour that I imagined the Cortina being. So
That interior. It drives so nice. We went to Landguard Fort yesterday in it. It's only up the road. We've got another person arriving. Hello. Hello. I don't know who that is. More arriving. Excellent. We're back to the Renault.
It's got some movement in it.
Yeah.
It's got some flex in it.
Yeah.
It's just a nice comfy family car.
It does, but because I had the seats down on the case.
Now the sun's come out and we're getting quite a few cars turning up. So this is what we've got so far. Obviously there's my Mondeo there. massive, can't they? Right. Frankies. This is Z-Tech powered as well. I went round googling this. What a great day that was. That was fantastic. Paul's backy. Oh, look at that. Z-Tech powered. David's Monza. It's lovely outfit. This.